I can't believe this, babes. Bitcoin is going to the moon. Here's why. Michael Saylor from Blackrock, State Street, and Vanguard announced that he acquired an additional 12,000 Bitcoins. Oh my gosh. That sounds weird, doesn't it? Yeah, it 100% sounds weird, but that's exactly what it is. So Michael Saylor is from MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is the company that has been acquiring Bitcoin like crazy. But why did I say that BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street were the ones acquiring Bitcoin? Well, we're going to talk about it in this video because things are about to get very, very, very interesting. If you're brand new to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, and share this video. We need to get this information out. Now let's break down exactly how these three predatory traditional financial companies have actually been buying Bitcoin behind the scenes this entire time. Let's reference Michael Saylor's original tweet announcing that MicroStrategy purchased an additional 12,333 Bitcoin for approximately $347 million, equating to approximately $28,000 per Bitcoin. And also remember, since April 6th of 2023, MicroStrategy owns over 140,000 Bitcoin. Yes, that is a lot. And yes, anybody can participate in Bitcoin regardless if it's traditional finance, the underdogs, middle class, the rich. Bitcoin is for everyone. However, we are seeing people celebrate these traditional financial firms, the predatory third parties, come into the industry and swoop up these Bitcoins, creating ETFs, getting them approved. So essentially, it's going to be a lot harder for you to buy Bitcoin and safely custody your coins. But now let's address how BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street are actually the ones buying the Bitcoin. What's a shareholder and why does it matter? Shareholders are owners of the company, technically part owners if there's more than one, but they aren't always involved in the day-to-day runnings of the business. That is a duty left to the directors and company management. However, company directors can also be shareholders. Who is the largest shareholders of MicroStrategy? Well, let's go ahead and Google this on up. Top shareholders: Vanguard, BlackRock, State Street, Morgan Stanley, Investment Management. Now, how much of MicroStrategy does BlackRock actually own? Well, BlackRock Inc. ownership in MSTR, MicroStrategy Incorporated, their latest disclosed ownership is over 600,000 shares, and that equates to 7.3%. Wow, I never would have guessed. Vanguard comes in at approximately 9.171%. I'm not going to do the math on the others, but isn't this very interesting? So even though BlackRock, Vanguard, and these other TradFi companies don't directly own MicroStrategy, they have a say in what they do. Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy is a Bitcoin bull, and we know how bullish he's been on Bitcoin for years now. That part is also very interesting as well. And please understand, what a lot of these companies have the option to do is they can acquire Bitcoin, and they can also take out collateralized loans on their Bitcoin, essentially to get more liquid capital to reinvest in different things. Now, where do you come into all this? Well, we do know that BlackRock applied for their spot ETF. I believe it was on June 15th. We also know that a lot of other TradFi companies are doing similar, and a perpetual 2 times Bitcoin ETF was approved and is now officially trading. So what does this mean? In my personal opinion, it's going to be a lot harder to purchase Bitcoin because these companies are going to pitch to you these traditional marketing products, okay? Traditional financial products, okay? Instead of actually custodying your Bitcoin, because it's very hard to do, we're going to continue to get lazy just like we've done with our cash and other assets, and we're going to allow the banks and these people to manage it for us. So I want you to hear what I said, take that into consideration, think about it, and then come back. Drop me a comment. How do you feel about MicroStrategy's big announcement of owning over 140,000 Bitcoin? Like, save, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.